Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is second question of its exercise 2.4. So the question says that a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice of the other new number. What are the numbers? So let the one positive number be x. So other number is equal to 5x. हमें given a 5 time है. Then according to the question, x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. So ये one new number is twice of other new number. So जाएगा twice of this. So 2x plus 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. So 2x को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, 21 को इधर कर देंगे. So 42 minus 21 is equal to 5x minus 2x. So 21 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 21 by 3 is equal to 7. So one number x is equal to 7 and other number 5x is equal to 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Thank you.